points, taking the top spot in the team standings after defeating the DLSU Lady Spikers in 4 sets. First, let's talk to our player of the game, Raja Linsu. Okay, ito na. Raja Linsu, you had 22 points. There's 20 attacks, 1 block, 1 service ace, alongside 10 excellent digs and 5 excellent receptions. So ayan, just your thoughts on the win. Kita-kita yung emotion across all the players.
For me po, sobrang happy ko po talaga since gusto namin itong mangyari ngayon simula pa kagabi na yung mga pinag-uusapan namin. Kaya sa puso talaga namin ngayon, kitang-kita ko po sa lahat na lahat kami gusto manalo and para naman sa kanilang lahat ng game kami tonight. Okay na po.
Thank you, Banji. We have Bella Belen with 14 attack points alongside 7 excellent digs and 14 excellent receptions. First win nyo to against Lasal since nung nag-champion kayo. So, ano lang pakiramdam na you were able to get one against them again?
Siyempre, we're very happy na po kasi hindi pa kami nananalo sa kanila simula last season. So, yung mindset talaga namin is matalo sila ngayon. Na manalo kami ngayon na talagang kailangan gawin namin yung best namin kasi hindi siya magiging madali kasi champion team yung Lasal. Gusto rin nila manalo pero dapat mas gusto namin manalo.
Thank you for that. And we also have Sheena Turing who put up 5 points and yung 5 points na yun, yung points na very valuable sa bandang gitna ng laro. Story for you, syempre itong yung game 2 last year dito, di ba? You had to watch your team due to injury. But now, parang seems like you're making up for lost time and kita-kita naman na nag-deliver ka when the team really needed the most. Kamusta lang yung pakiramdam na you're able to play here?
I'm very emotional po actually since alam ko ng sarili ko nang may pressure talaga since past few games. Sinasabi ko na ng sarili ko na I know na di ka na part ng first 6 basta always ready lang ako na para sumalo sa teammates ko. And I'm happy na na-perform ko ng gusto ko.